Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, The Grow Guy. Today we're diving into these 3 common mistakes that might be keeping your YouTube videos from getting the views they deserve. I'm going to help you to understand and fix these issues so that can help you grow your audience and reach more viewers. Let's get started. Consistency is key in the YouTube world. If you're not posting regularly, your audience might lose interest and your channel could fade into obscurity. Make a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or 3 times a week, let your viewers know when to expect new content from you. Search engine optimization. SEO helps your videos get discovered in YouTube search results and recommended to viewers. Many creators overlook this aspect, but it's crucial for growing your audience. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about and improves its chances of appearing in search results and recommendations. And finally, ignoring engagement with your audience. YouTube is a social platform, so interaction is key. Respond to comments, ask your viewers questions, and create a community around your channel. Engaged viewers are more likely to subscribe, watch more of your videos, and share your content with others. I hope you found these tips helpful for understanding how to make your YouTube video go viral. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and good luck with your viral video journey.